So we have Hitarth with us again, and he is a student of management at IIM Udaipur. What we are discussing this time is the startup culture in India. Now there is an inclination towards doing something of your own rather than being employed under someone. So what do you feel about this approach, and how feasible do you think it is in a country like India where the economy is not very strong?
I would disagree with the last statement that you made that economy is not very strong. In fact, India has one of the really strong economies when you compare it with other countries. Recently, Greece had a downfall. Germany is doing really well, but US there is no growth in US. Yes. Putting that aside, when you talk about startup culture was always there in India.
We have made it kind of official with all the registrations and that, but people who are doing small businesses of their own since very early ages in India.
So one of the reasons why startup culture has become so much dominant in recent years is because of the shift in culture in India. Initially, Indian they used to live in joint families, so there were huge amount of responsibilities are shouldered on you. Okay, now families they are going apart, nuclear families are coming in, so the amount of responsibility on you it's reducing. Because of that, you can take your ability to take risk has increased substantially. And the second reason why startup culture is now dominating is because of the easy availability of information. Like if you want to, you generally have a good idea. Like you face a problem, then you think that no, this problem can be done in this way, but you don't have the necessary information or tools and technique to deal with that problem. Now everything is available online, so you can, if you are really interested in that problem and solving that problem, then you go online, you will do all the research that is necessary, and you will equip yourself with such capabilities so that you can solve that problem. And if you solve that problem for yourself, you feel very happy about it, and you think that yes, there is potential, I can commercialize whatever I've done. Then you do your own startup. So first is because of the shift in culture, second is easy availability of information.
But what we see is that people are still very skeptical about this kind of doing this kind of stuff, because we generally see that the parents, the earlier generation, the older generation is very skeptical about this. They would much rather have the stability of a job rather than uncertainty of having a startup. Do you think that there should be a limit to what extent people should opt for starting a startup rather than doing a job?
So our forefathers they were basically risk averse people in general when we talk about business, but now we have shifted to risk takers. And apart from that, the amount of opportunities that we are getting right now, for example, IIM Udaipur. IIM Udaipur is giving this opportunity of deferred placement. Okay, so if you want to take a risk, you want to start your own startup and you have an idea. But the problem is that after starting your own startup, the major problem occurs that if that startup fails, what will happen to you? What will happen to your family? Okay.
Exactly.
So IIM Udaipur is giving the opportunity of deferred placement. In that, you can try to work on your startup for up to 2 years. For that 2 years, IIM Udaipur will give you 10,000 rupees per month out of its own pocket. Okay. It will give you all the support that is required, consultation from faculties and infrastructure support if required. And if within these 2 years you feel that your startup is not going anywhere, you can come back to IIM Udaipur and they will place you.
I think that this is one of the biggest steps that the institutes can take to promote this inclination of people towards starting the startups. And it is no surprise that one of the most reputed institutes of India has taken the initiative. So thank you, and you can watch this talk on varta.co.in.